today we find ourselves in sunny old Cheshire, heading towards Knutsford on the A50. I'm going to meet Forrest, aka DJ Weaseldo, on his Multistrada V4 Rally, and we're going to head to the Avro Lancaster Heritage Centre, I think it's called, not museum, and have a look at all things related to Lancasters and bombers, and I want to see Norden bomb sites and oboe for those in the know, and maybe even the spinning mechanism for the bouncing bomb, which was obviously in the door bay. Obviously, unless I'm getting my bombers mixed up. I don't think I am, but anyway, that'll be all very exciting. First of all though, we're going to Knutsford to a cafe for breakfast, obviously. Intro done. Partington Carrington, no thank you. For those in the know, in the know. Reminds me of the nickname Knuckles that somebody had. Me and Tomo. Anyway, those in a previous life. I thought you'd drop in on my comms.
I can turn it on.
I thought that might be the case. Oh, right next to the bomb. Where are you going? Well, do you want to push? Do you want to push up? Do you want to push up here to the and put your nose in, sort of parking? Yeah, but you're in the hatch markings. I think we go up here, and if you go and just go here like that. What's that, Grand Slam? So this is the mechanism for the dam busters. Forrest, what did you think of the Avro Heritage Museum?
It's a very nice exhibit. I enjoyed very much having a look around the planes and looking into the cockpits. That was quite cool. And yeah, I think quite expensive for what it is, because there's not an awful lot there, but it is still very cool nonetheless.
Agreed. How much was it to get in?
£9 per adult.
There's a cafe there, is there?
There's a little cafe. They've also got toilets in there as well. Disabled access is pretty good, although if you were disabled you wouldn't be able to go and actually look at some of the exhibits. You wouldn't be able to go into the cockpits because they're all stairs. So I guess depends on your level of disability or ability, I suppose.
And all the cockpit tours are separate, and you pay like a surcharge of £2 for it, I think, don't you?
And it would be worthwhile ringing up in advance and booking them well in advance, because otherwise you'll end up coming here and then waiting 2 hours to get on your tour.
Agreed.
But, loads and loads of little models, like their rammers.
Over here looks pretty. Look, in front of that trough that says engine. No? Are you going there? Hey.
Leachy getting a bit content.
What are you doing, Forrest?
What we're doing? Videoing you. I'm just getting a little bit of your likeness on the video because people love it.
Forrest is going to lose his mind around here.
That belt on that pulley. The engine itself, horizontal cross compound condensing mill engine. That's its full title.
Got you.
Horizontal's fairly simple because the cylinders are horizontal.
Yeah.
Compound means they're using the steam twice.
Okay.
So steam comes in there through this valve into this cylinder, which is the high pressure cylinder. Steam at about 125 psi. Yeah. The valves on this cylinder are coreless valves. So the top ones are inlet valves, the bottom ones are exhaust valves. That would open, that would open, push the piston that way. It's a double acting engine, so it pushes it one way and then pushes it back.
Yeah.
Backwards and forwards. When it exhausts across into this cylinder. That's the cross compounding. This gets a steam at lower pressure, probably only in the 60s psi, but back and forwards just the same.
Right.
All of this side is controlled from that side. This has to follow what that does.
Of course.
Turns the flywheel, driven wheel is the belt drive. When this side exhausts, so it comes into this side, when this side exhausts, it exhausts into a cylinder under the floor, then sprayed with cold water and condenses the steam back to water. That's the cross compounding, condensing. What it does then is, as it's changed back to water, creates a vacuum.
You'll see there, that line, that's the fuel line, so we'll turn it around to that line there. So that's the primary position.
Okay, you can it.
Yeah, stop geeking out too much.
Yeah, I'm well geeking out now.
So then we prime both the heads. Turn it around then to the starting position. So it's gone stiff there now, so that should be alright now. Right, so then we turn it around now to the starting position. Give it a run, boys. We are. Right.
It's taking barring it over to a new level.
When you finish.
Here we go.
You need to see engines without rubber covers on them and that kind of thing, because you don't need them if you're not going to protect people.
No, it also meant you can keep the lube oil in as well.
Every workshop needs one. A wood bodger.
It's some bloody daft idea, these Germans. They put the bloody locating pin right next to where the bloody screw is.
Oh,
You
right.
can get a spanner on it.
All the rest are all
So it's not perfect engineering like you'd imagine they do.
So what's the camera on the end?
Yeah, I just take a picture of the top
Oh,
of the
yeah.
engine there.
There's bits missing because I use a
Oh yeah, got it.
an ammo pocket. Do you look at the Anson Facebook page?
I will do, yeah.
Oh yeah, please. And
Yeah.
so now that would have opened the valve in the head to let the air into the cylinder to turn it over. So I've had to. To get that.
Goodbye to the steam engine museum. Oh, why have I stalled?